No, 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 no. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Review. Unboxing review. The box is a little broken. I didn't care because it was the last one and I needed it. But we're opening this bad boy up. I think you're supposed to open it from the top. Box was broken. Hopefully without missing anything. I'll just go back and return it. It's not cheap. So it comes in this little cardboard box with instructions and these little thingy-majiggies that go onto this thingy-majiggy. And then you grab this thingy-majiggy. Let's see, I kind of like how skinny this looks. Give it like a modern look. Oopsie. 150 watts. I like the look. I mean, itself looks, I think, better than a regular heater. Maybe if you compare it to a heater look like that. But we'll see. This is cool. This is rated, this is the 150 watt Aquael from PetSmart. The Ultra Heater 150 Professional for 24 to 40 gallons. I think I grabbed the wrong one. Oh well. This is a 40 gallon aquarium anyway. It's fine. I think I meant to grab the bigger one. It's fine. I already have it here. I was wondering why it looked so small. I think there's a bigger, the one I was looking at was the bigger one. Fair enough. 150 watts should do it. Super thin, etc. So we have this that basically goes onto your heater, like so, kind of like a slide plug and play kind of thing. And then you also have these little thingies that you put onto the back. See right there? And then you could twist them so they don't fall off. Same thing with this one. You basically plug in and twist it about 90 degrees. So now it ain't going anywhere. And then, yeah, you just plug and play kind of a thing. It's functional, double-sided hanger. Let's see. It's got a built-in thermal switch. It indicates what temperature it's at. It'll light up kind of like the green little thing. And the blue one is clear indication of the temperature. Yeah, tested and calibrated at Aquael's inventory. Unbreakable, super thin, optimal heat distribution. Anyway, let's see what these looks like inside the aquarium. Not to mention, this is not only a heater, it's technically a thermometer because it'll tell you exactly the temperature in the aquarium. And then also I think that's the one in blue. And then the green will be the one that I set it to. Going to have to remove this thingy. It's just the little cable thing. Twist, twist, twist till it comes out. Come on. Oh, it broke. Got it. You plug this into the plug, and you want to put this in the aquarium before you actually plug this in. It doesn't have a water level minimum, but I'm pretty sure this could be submerged. I'm gonna double check that before I give you guys false information. So it is submergible. We're gonna be putting it on the back side over here. The corner, push in so it doesn't come loose. What does it look like? There we go. We have our sponge filter here as well. So I plugged it in. Let's see if we can get these bubbles out of the way. So yeah, the green is the where I want the thing to be at. So right now it's at 74. I want it at 80. Oh no, not 94. That's good. I want it here, 80. So we're gonna wait for that to warm up. See where the blue line starts? At the 70. That means it's at 70 degrees right now. And I'm going to wait until it gets all the way up to the number, and then I can put in the fish I want. But yeah, leave this here so it can circulate the aquarium a little more. I'm gonna also bring in the filter that I have been pre-seeding, technically. It's got a little bit of junk in here, so that's why. So the heater's been working fine. It actually worked to the temperature I want it to be. So we're doing fine in there. I like the heater. I like the slim look. I like the modern features that it offers, as well as the modern look. So yeah, I give it
when I compare it out of all the other heaters, I give it a 9 out of 10. It's a little expensive when compared to the Amazon heaters, but looks wise, 10 out of 10. Use, 10 out of 10. Just price is a little higher.
Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this one. Got big things coming and more fish coming and more breeding projects coming. So stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Got a bunch of videos, bunch of different things going out. So appreciate all the subscribers and support.